Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to copy image in Google Sheets file. So let's started. At first, open your Google Sheets file document. Firstly, then show the Google Sheets file, copy image in going to the insert button option. Now click with the drawing option. Firstly, insert image. Now click for the image option. Then click with the browse option. Then choose picture for open. Then show the image. This image is the copy. Now mouse right button from the click. Then click for the copy option. Now again click for the mouse right button option. Then click for the paste option. That's it. Now click for the save and close option. That's it. Then show the copy image in Google Sheets file. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.